Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Joy. Today I will be showing you how you can lighten your lip, and I will be needing honey, a spoon of honey. Then I will just drop a little bit of lemon into it, and I will be needing my sugar. You have your sugar, whatever sugar you have, white or brown sugar, it is perfect. So I'm just gonna mix it together. I'm gonna mix this together. So it is ready to use now. As you can see, it's very simple to make. There's no stress. So I'm gonna apply it now on my lip. So guys, it's time to apply the mixture on my lip. So if you have a dark lip, this mixture is gonna lighten your lip. It's gonna make your lip feel soft and smooth. You rub this thing in a circular motion on your lip. You rub it for like 5 minutes, then later you rinse it off. The reason I use the lemon will help to brighten your lip if you have a dark lip, and the sugar will help to exfoliate your lip. And the honey is gonna give you a soft and a supple lip. So that's the reason why I mix these 3 ingredients together to achieve the desired lip type I wanted. So if you can follow the way I show you, it's gonna be perfect. So you keep scrubbing the lip. It's very easy. You scrub the lip, but you have to be very careful so that you won't injure your lip. So you do it in a circular motion for some minutes, then you wash it off. I gently place the sugar on my lip. I leave it for like a few seconds. Then later I'm gonna wash it off. After I finish washing my lip, I'm gonna apply almond oil on my lip. As you can see that my lip is getting soft compared to when I was scrubbing the lip. You can see that there is a pink color on my lip. I have not put on lipstick. So as you can see, if I put on lipstick, you will see that it will show on my lip. But this is a natural pink which I just got. From the first day you will get the result. Thank you for taking your time to watch, and drop comment below and let me know what you think about it.